So this morning I decided to get to Amen Estate to pick up a client's document. On my way going, I discovered the road construction from Eleko Junction to Amen Estate Phase 1 is fast going. All right. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a video drive from Amen Estate Phase 1 back to Eleko Junction. So if you are ready, come with me on this drive. All right. Remember, my name is Peter, twin for ELEKO. My job is to assist you with the right real estate investment information. So the way you're making real estate investment decision, you're able to make the right decision. And if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please use the opportunity, click on the subscribe button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So when I post subsequent videos like this and many others, you'll be one of the first to be informed. Without further ado, let's take a drive to Eleko Junction from Amen Estate Phase 1.